Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool duck telephone. This is Joe's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we have a note with this unit, and we know that the duck telephone does not do anything, and so it's not getting any dial tone, and this type of duck telephone quacks on a ring cycle. And I also talked to Joe, and he said that his wife had purchased this telephone at a second-hand store for $3, and unfortunately it didn't work properly. So that was a great find. And now what we want to do is we want to troubleshoot this unit, and we want to find out what's going on and make our repairs. Now we're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this unit, and we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool duck telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. If you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the duck telephone. Now we also want to mention on a ring cycle, this duck will quack, and the lights for the eyes will light up. And when you pick up the handset, the eyes will also light up. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this duck telephone is quacking on our ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, May 15th. The current time, 8:08 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool duck telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Joe and they can enjoy this duck telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This type of duck telephone is very sought after, they're highly collectible, and people really like them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.